Hey guys, this is a quick demo of the OnlyFans feature that we're going to be releasing. We're going to be calling it Just Fans. This is the admin dashboard that you'll have access to in your back office once you activate the feature. You've got your users, you've got identity checks. There's a bunch of things that we've got that we're working on. You've got your wallets here. These are for your subscriptions. For example, if you've got a user who's got people that are paying for access to their account, you'll see right here the user ID, what they've got in their wallet. And by clicking on the wallet right here, the view icon right here, you'll see what's in their wallet, their ID, and all that stuff. So you'll be able to see what's owed to these people. You've got your notifications section here. You've got your messages section over here. And we've got reactions set up over here. So basically these are reactions to posts of likes and stuff like that. We've got your lists. We've got your list of members. Again, this is just a high-level overview of some of the stuff we may pull. You've got reporting here. You've got featured users where you can feature a specific user. Again, keep in mind this is all not completed yet, but it's in progress. And you've got your posts, your post comments. You've got your subscriptions that you can create subscriptions for. These are the people that have subscriptions with you. And you've got withdrawal. These are withdrawal requests. When someone's got money inside the platform and they want withdrawal requests or payment requests, it's going to be here. These are actually withdrawals. These are the payment requests. You've got your taxes that you can set up, your countries. You've got pages for the front end website. Like you'll have a web version of this as well that you can use. And then you've got your settings area. I'm going to go to a user account. I'll log in through a user account and we'll take a look at that now as well. So this is the user version here. There's some dummy content that the guys added that's not appropriate, but anyways, you can see here you've got the home button here. You've got your messages. You've got your ability to add, create posts, and add attachments. You can add files. You could put a price here. So I'm just going to put something in here. Demo post. Okay, I can add a price to it. And if I'm trying to sell it, images or whatever, that can do that. It's right here as well. I can save that. Then you've got your messaging system that people can actually message you, and your profile, your streams, your bookmarks, all that stuff is listed here in the menu. That's your profile over here. We're trying to do the essentially a duplicate or replica of the OnlyFans site. So it's pretty close to what you would have seen on that side. And once you click on these are the suggestions for users to follow or to subscribe to. If you click on one of these, for example, you can see their page, you can see their subscription button, and you can see some well, if there's any free content that will be displayed here. Otherwise, it's all gated content like this, and you've got to be a subscriber to access that content. You can send tips. Here's the tips screen. Message chat is only available for subscribers, for example. I can add this to my own personal list, and I can share this profile as well. I think that's a good high-level overview of the what we've got coming down the pipe. Programming is almost completed, but we've got several things that we've got on the fly, so I just don't have an exact date, but we're looking at probably 3 to 4 weeks, 5 weeks. We're looking at end of May, early June for this to be released. Thanks.